Hello guys, and welcome back to another session of learning Unity with me. I know it's been a while, and it's because I've been kinda in an off mood recently, and I've just been kinda hesitant to record. So what I might do is just from time to time record a video and then just update you guys on what I've done during the days where I wasn't recording. But yeah, so let's see. It's kind of been a while, so I kind of forgot where we're at. But let me see. I'm try to jog the memory a bit. Oh yeah, maybe the difficulty. I think that's what we were doing, right? So this is tidy hierarchy. Oh, we're tidying up the hierarchy.
It's gonna be one of two. It's either gonna be projectile or
I'm just gonna restart it since it's kind of been a while. Alright, that's what's happening. So basically we were trying to put or organize our game objects so that they appear under a hierarchy, and I think we were challenged to place it under the projectiles, and which I did, I think, is in here. Or is it in shooter? Shooter. Or maybe defender. Alright, never mind. I'm just gonna rewatch everything. The defender spawner, or the game area for us. Create the defender parent, and so we have defender parent, find defender parent name, which is called defenders, which would be the project name or the game object name, and then if there isn't a defender parent, then we create one ourselves. I wonder if it actually goes to the hierarchy. Let me see. Yeah, it does. So it does. Wow. So any object that you create goes to the hierarchy. That's interesting. So then, yeah. Alright. So we set the parent to the transform as the parent's transform. And we do it when we're going to spawn the defender, so right here. So yeah, our challenge was to set the parent to be projectiles. So in order to do that, we gotta figure out where we're spawning the projectiles. It could have been shooter. Here it is. So when we hit fire, let's first of all create a game object. I'll call this projectile parent. Oh wait. We have to make it a constant and read projectiles. Oh wait, no, it would be string. Projectile parents, right? String defender parent name. Projectile parent name. And so we also have to create a game object then. And at the start, you want to create projectile parent. I like to bundle those together, so we're just going to place it here. Void, create projectile parent. And we're going to say projectile parent equals find object, and then with the name, right? Game object find defender parent name. Projectile parent name. And then if not projectile parent, projectile parent equals new game object, and then projectile parent name, so it's going to create a new object under the name of projectiles. So now when we fire, what we're going to do is we're going to, so first of all, let's take this projectile, is this object here, and we're going to say projectile dot game object dot transform dot parent equals projectile parent dot transform. I think that's how it's supposed to be done. I guess we don't need to. Oh yeah, because it is a game object. My bad. So then, yeah. And I think that's it. Hopefully that works. And we're getting some compiler issues. I probably forgot to put a semicolon somewhere. Line 13. 22. And shooter, line 13. Oh, right here. Line 9, actually. My bad. I keep thinking I'm in Python. Yep, here are all the projectiles. Oh, we should probably add kind of like the projectile destroyer, so something like this. Let's see, edit the script. Yeah, we have to have a different script for it, unfortunately. So remove component. We're gonna call this shredder, projectile shredder. Then we're gonna move this here. Yeah. We're gonna unpack it. Unpack completely, so it's not really a prefab. You might do this later on, but I guess I'm just gonna do it now, because why not? So we're gonna add a script here. Create C# script, we're called projectile shredder. Then we're gonna go here. And we're just gonna edit the script. So it's gonna be is trigger, so we're gonna do everything private void on trigger, enter 2D and collider 2D, other destroy other dot game object. Alright, let's see if that works. Yeah, it does. Cool. But now, for some odd reason, it doesn't show up the thing, which is weird. That's weird. Why doesn't it show up anymore? Wait, what? Why doesn't it? Wait, but that works? What? Wait, let me see. That's weird. Is that a glitch? So it loads when we're playing maximize, but then it doesn't load if we don't. Alright, well, I guess for now I'll just accept it. So yeah, we've finished it. wonder how many more videos do I have to watch left. We're almost done. Cool. The next one's only 5 hours, and that'd be the last one. Alright, now we see table creator, plain text. Oh, right here. Alright, so basically we're gonna create this tuning matrix, which will have our cost, damage, hit points, health, and then damage, to help organize with our characters. So we have so far gnome. Actually, we don't have the gnome. We have Sora, Pikachu, Stone, wait, what? How do I add a cell? Ah, there it is. So we have stone, we have a lizard, and then we have a fox. So we're just tuning the game to make it challenging enough so that the player stays interested. So I think Pikachu... Is Pikachu stronger than Sora? Let me see. Whatever this decides will help me. Alright, so Sora has deals more damage. Alright. So the cost. I've been kind of playing Plants vs. Zombies for a bit, just to understand what it is we're building, and I'm just gonna use their numbers. So this one would have been the frosty plant, and then Pikachu would be the regular plant, which is 100. And then health wise, let's make it 250, and then Pikachu would be 150. Damage wise, how much health? Actually, we can figure it out. We can set it up here. So we're gonna focus on the damage later. So stone is 50 because that's what it was in Plants vs. Zombies. Health has to be a lot, so let's say 500. And then lizard is 0 because we can't summon that. But health, I don't know how much health they have. Well, let's say on the basis of, let's say, do enemies usually have more health points than the defender? Let me see. Zombies, health, Plants versus Zombies. Oh, here it is, 10. Alright, let's look at plants. Plant stats. Plants versus Zombies. Sun cost health. Normal, 1 bite. Normal, 1 hit. Normal, 72 bites. So, yeah, it looks like they usually have more health than the defenders. So let's say lizard is 1000, and then fox is like 500 since they can move fast. So damage would be every Keyblade would hit, say 150, and Pikachu would be, say, 75, which is half of that, right? The stone does no damage. Lizards do, let's say, 30 damage, or how about 50? No, 35. And then fox should do pretty small, but they're fast. Or for me, it's not a fox, right? It's a heartless. I almost forgot. And they deal like 3 damage, they do 3 attacks, so I'll make it 15. And then, yeah, I think we're gonna have to implement this. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, trophy. I forgot. Or the one that's generating. It's also 50. Health. I say 200. Should be fun. No damage. But they generate like 50 or 25. Four times as good. 3 times as good. We'll lower down Pikachu. We'll nerf the Pikachu a bit. say 300. Yeah. I'll make this 750. So let's go ahead and change it to RS2. First up is Sora. So let's go to our game object, our prefabs, defenders, Sora. So resource cost, we said it was 175, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 175. Can I take this out? Maximize close tab. Probably not. You know, it's fine. That's how I can train my brain anyways. So that's resource cost, health. We said 250. Oh wow. And then to look at damage, we have to go to the animator. So we have to, I think we have to drop one of these guys in. Go to init attack, fire. Oh no, we have to go to projectile, my bad. So we're gonna take out Sora. You know, let's just edit here while we're at it. So the resource cost for Pikachu is 75. And they have 100 health. Nice. And then Gravestone, they have 500 health. Wow. I'm not making this up. How did I figure that out? And then trophy 150 and 100. Trophy is 50 and then 200. So this one's not the way. Alright. So then we're gonna go to projectiles. Go to this Keyblade. And they deal. He does it pretty fast though, that's the thing. As opposed to Pikachu. You know what, I'll switch them up since this is pretty fast. Say 50, and this one is 150, 175, and 25. Pikachu will be 250. You know what, since he throws it pretty fast, let's make it 25. So that's 7 times powerful. So cost, so this one will deal 25 damage because it's pretty fast. This one will deal 150. But let's go back to defenders. Sora will cost 75, I think. Yeah, and then Pikachu will do 150. Health is 250. So I would want Pikachu's to be in the front. And then Sora will be 100 health for Sora. Cool. So So then trophy, we did that. So let's do lizard and heartless. So let's go to attackers. Lizard will have 750 health. 750, and lizards will, and heartless will have 300 health. And then to gain their attack, this is when we put it here. We do the attack. We'll make it have 15, which is pretty dangerous. So it's like 30. You know what, let's nerf it to 10, because that's pretty fast. And then we're gonna go to lizard. Do we have to override anything? Nope. Cool. So we're gonna drop lizard. We said 50, 35. You know, 50 is fine since he attacks pretty slow. So yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna start our resources. The value that we want. So we had to go to canvas, main canvas, points text, and we're gonna start off with, how about, so there needs to be enough for resources, right? So resources are 50. Yep. So let's give it 250 points. So let me see. Oh god, okay. Oh god. Oh, that's kind of rough. Alright, so we're gonna oh no. This is tough. Alright, that's way too tough. But, I mean, it's cool. I'm not gonna make this to a game thing. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wait, what? Let me see something. Where's this? All buttons. Although we're gonna add a component. We're gonna add a canvas. Oops. Wrong one. Canvas. I guess this is the background. Oh, so then we put that there, 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 and then there. And then we're gonna create text. We're gonna call this cost. But where is this text? So what we're gonna do is go to our canvas, main canvas, multiply this by the scale factor. Why is it like that? Where's the cost? Oh, there's the text. It's kind of hard to see. We're gonna change it to light yellow. Where'd the text go? There's the text. Whoa. Why is it like that? So the text is right there. Why is it a Rex transform? Why is it off-centered? What? Why is it off-centered? Wait a minute, what's happening here? How about weird? What's like that? Actually, wait. Yeah, I think we're just gonna leave it like that. Hey, why is this one different color? Alright, I guess that's the best thing I can do for the time being. Oh wow, his is perfect. Wow. Or his is more aligned. I should do it with him before I get lost. Or is this the right one? Defender button. Oh, never mind. This isn't the right one. It's this one. The only reason why I know to put this is because we've done it so many times, and it's just something that's stuck to the back of my head when we're going to use the text object. So this get component in children. First of all, where is the object that has the game that has the defender button on it? Is it in background? Nope. I think it'd be this one, like the each individual button. So it's going to take this current object, and then we're going to look for a component. Is that what we're looking for? Yeah, we're going to get the component in a children's object, which is in this case the cost would be the only children for our defender button. Wait, what's the name? Where did we get that from? Is that the property? Let me see. Yeah, it looks like it. So since we have a reference to the Defender prefab, we can access the script, which is to get the star cost, which is the resource cost. Well, this is, we changed it, so it's now 100. And then it returns that value and sets the cost text to whatever that value is. So let's go see if it works. Hopefully no compiler issues. Nice. Alright. So yeah, 50, 150, 75, 150, dang, for a Pikachu. They kind of move fast. Maybe that's the time. Level completed. Alright. Wait, what? Come on. Alright. No, no. You know, I think we're gonna have to increase the resource cost. So let's say, how about 500? Would that make it a little bit more interesting? Alright, we're gonna increase the damage on the projectiles a bit. Let's make it 50. Let's give him 1,000 points. Dang it. Does that sound fair? But you know, they kind of go rushing in, so it's kind of hard. So let's have, and then here. Dang it. Let me try that again. So whenever the strategy is there's a heartless, put down a Sora, and then put the gravestone here, and put another Sora. Oh, put another Sora there. Oh my god, they just come way too fast. Freaking. Maybe the tactic is just 7 Pikachus. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna end it here, and then I'll see you guys next time. Peace.